Hi guys, Shanigan. It's 14 May, which is Saturday, 4 o'clock in the UK, 5 o'clock in South Africa. Very quick update from my video from I think 2 or 3 days ago. So we still got this huge daily chart, A, B, C, or big flat correction. Remember, I keep talking to you guys, telling you guys about this big flat correction that we are working on. Remember, I told you this in October last year. So now that since I shorted there, we came all the way down. Now I'm waiting for this to break the lows of there or maybe even there. So what happened now? It literally broke, see the white line there? It's broke the low down to 25,000. So it has done what it's supposed to do. The only thing is it good enough? I don't know. I still feel it might want to go down to one more dip lower and then, guys, we'll see the big move up. Okay, so that's what I'm feeling. That is my personal opinion. And I'm just talking about 20 years experience of trading. So you've seen my last videos. It's up to you guys. You know when I said to you guys, when we broke this high and I said to you guys, if this doesn't make another proper decent move, it's going to come down. And it did. You guys called me the bear guy and all that. So ignoring all that, let's just see what happens when we get to the here. One more move up, push down, break the low, and that's when all fear will put in, and you guys will be like, oh no, let's sell, let's get out. Guys, that's when the guys will turn the market and go all the way up. So if you're holding, the good news is we're going to go up. So it's all good. So let's look at Ethereum. I think in my last video I said to you guys, it has to break this low, below 2,000. Well, go watch it again. It's broken the 2,000. It's almost touched by 1,700 target, so it's very, very close. So another reason for that is to maybe do one more dip. So let me see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I really think this should do a 4. So a little high like that. Break this, and then we go. Okay. So if you're buying now, guys, it's okay. If you're holding, it's okay. It's good. But if you're not, if you got that one more low, you better get in. So that's my opinion. Then again, saying that, let me just quickly show you XRP. Back in, what's this? Ooh, March, February 2021. I told you guys, for those who follow my channels, that is ABC here. I was waiting for it to just drop down to there's my rocket all waiting to go. And it didn't actually go down and make a new low, and it just parabolic move. So I completely missed out on that move. So sometimes, what I'm trying to tell you is sometimes if it's right, it's the right level, you can afford it, get in for a hold. If this thing goes from there, fine. If it goes there, dips and then goes, fine. Doesn't matter. Does it really matter so much for the few cents? So if you're in it and you're holding, go for it. All right, so just remember, taking profits is very important. Look at this high, came down for A, B. I would have closed all my positions over there probably. And unfortunately, okay, so I got in there again for a big buy. I was thinking this is going to be A, B, C done for triangle, and let's go. Unfortunately, we had to break this. So where are we now? We broke the last low, which is amazing. I need to see that. You always hear me saying, break the low or break the high before I get in. We've done that. Reach my buy box. Let me just zoom in a bit here. So I'm looking for, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we can go here, but I think we might just do that, and then we can go. Same as BTC and Ethereum. So if they all do that, guys, we're in for the game. So hold on, all good. What else can I show you? One is still a very good position to buy. It's broken the last low. There's my last low right down there, which is what, 4 cents. Just broke it, and now it's turning up. So it's a good buy. What else we got? Raven, also very good. Zul, what's Zul doing? Zul is coming a lot harder down. Remember, parabolic move. You guys think you can hold it forever? Look where it is now, back to where it started. So take your profits when you can. Don't forget about that. Tron, whatever. Shib, I don't even look at that. Phantom, Okay, it's looking at a good place. Let me just zoom in here, zoom out. Got A, B, C. Okay, so we broke through my buy zone, making new lows. What's the support here? Okay, so very soon, as soon as this, okay, let me move this green here because that was my buy zone right there. Okay, I wanted to get in there, I didn't, but if I did, I can hold for long term because this will break. What's it now? It's 3 or 30 cents. So if it goes up to £3 or $3 again, I mean, hello. And what else we got? Solana. Let's look at Dot. Dot. Oh boy. Okay, so remember this one, eh? This one you should remember from the last video from many years ago. Oh, many months ago. Back in November, September, I said to you guys, once it breaks 50, it needs to sustain a strong move. It never did that. Got my white arrow there. It's still there. I haven't changed anything. Came down and came down. And I was hoping for this to be a running flat and go. It actually broke down as well. So now we've got that high and this low broken. That means in Elliott wave theory, that's an expanded flat. This means this scene can at any point start going up. So what I'm saying to you guys is all the cryptos in my mind is looking for that final little bit of support now, and then it's going to go move. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. Don't worry about it. It's all looking good. If you are holding, it's all good. If you a day trader, look for this final move down. And for day traders, you need to see this one simple trick, guys. You need to see 1, 2. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like that. 1, 2, along 3, 4, and 5. That's your impulsive move up. Then you get your 3 waves down, around about halfway. Then you can buy and get in. Okay, that's for the day traders. Everyone else, if you're holding from these levels, you are so good to go. So don't worry about it. Okay, I think that's all for now. I need to go do some educational videos. So I'll see you on the Discord channel if you're there still. Just bye.